In this video, I'd like to demonstrate what I did to get the buddy box working between a Spektrum and a Taranis QX7. The Spektrum is the master, and this is the slave. Here's the airplane that I'm using. It is a Flight Test Mini F-22. And what you see over here is a stabilization board, and this is the receiver. And in the description field, I'll add some more details about that. So with that said, I'm going to do this backwards. I'm going to show you it working, and then I'm going to go through each radio and just show you what I did. So they're already connected with the buddy box cable. It's a mono cable. It's not the stereo one, it's mono. So I'm going to go into the monitor over here. And by the way, you'll see that this says master, right? Okay, let's go into the monitor. And I'm not, let's see, show the airplane here. So you'll see up, down, right, left, and we'll do throttle. Let's see that. And you'll see these in the monitor too. This is the aileron, elevator. Okay. And then, oh, let me go back. Mono. So now here's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to put this in the, I'm going to press, let me make sure the throttle's down on both transmitters. The student over here is down. This is down. Press the trainer switch, and you'll see that I have no control over the airplane. Even the throttle, nothing. Right? Now over here, you'll see I do have control. And then I'll do the throttle here. Where is it? Okay, so that's me holding this. So I'm going to let go of that. And with that said, I will show you settings of what I did here. I'm going to disconnect this cable. And you'll see it goes into no slave mode. Turn this radio off. I'm going to go into that system menu. Model type is airplane. Wing type, I put normal because that flight stabilization board controls the mixing for this kind of airplane, which is Elevon. Switch select, everything inhibited. Trainer, I have it on Pilot Link Master. It's in there. So I'm going to this menu. Servo setup. Let's take a look at reverse. Their normal throttle elevator and throttle aileron and elevator. Dual rate, this is just my preference. 25, 50, 100. Same thing with the elevator. I got the rudder switch controlling at the same time. Let's see. No mixing. I mean, whatever that is, the default. This plane doesn't have a rudder anyways. Switch inhibited. Let's see. That's about it for that radio. Let's take a look at the other slave here. The settings. I just called it trainer, the model. I did a brand new model. Call it trainer. There's no kind of mixing. Let's go into the system menu here. Turn this down. I really didn't do much here, but I'm going to show it anyways. Okay, let's go to the next page. Nothing there. No global functions. Just trainer slave. There's a version of OpenTX, which is more than 3 years old, I guess, right? Nothing there. Now exit there. I'll go into the pages for the actual model. The name is trainer. Is that slave? That's the mode, slave jack. Let me just take a look here, see what. Master S bus, master jack. Okay, we'll put that back there. Go to page 3. Nothing there. It's not a helicopter. Flight modes, nothing there. Inputs. I had to reverse this one. That's why you see a negative. I had to reverse that aileron there. Let's go to page 2. There's my channels. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. No special functions. That's about it. That's the last page. So yeah, I didn't think this was actually going to work, connecting these different name brand radios, but it works. Hopefully I'll make another video. That's what I'm planning to do, where this is the master. And obviously it'll be, it will not be, that's a Spektrum transmitter. I mean, a Spektrum receiver. So when this becomes a master, you know, obviously it's going to be a non-Spektrum receiver that's compatible with that Taranis QX. This is the Spektrum. I think it's upside down. And again, I'll just put the this is the AR410. And I'll put that in the description anyways. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to somebody. Thank you for watching.